Hi everyone, Rabbit here, and welcome to my second episode of Cooking with Your Grandma. And today, my special guest is my actual grandma. Please welcome Bernilda Bassetti Lagos. And at home, we call her Mimi.
Hi.
Hi guys.
My name is Window. Hello. Good afternoon. My name is Mimi. I am the cooking tornes Italian. With hello, my cannelloni.
Cannellonis.
Cannellonis. Okay? With who? I make it.
So today, we're going to be cooking my grandmother's special cannellonis recipe. So let's get started. Aprons.
Oh.
Ta-da!
Okay.
Oh,
yes.
yay. Ooh, I like it. All right, so let's get started. So first, what we have is chicken, right?
Oh, just chicken.
Chicken, and we're gonna boil it. So let's get that ready and started. We're gonna put some water in a pot, 2 liters to be exact. We have it to boil, and we are going to add the chicken. And perfect.
Okay.
So we let that sit for 30 minutes or until it's cooked. Okay, I think the chicken's done.
Okay.
Safety first.
Oh, well,
Wow.
okay.
All right, so let's turn that heat off. Also, a side note that I probably didn't mention earlier, we actually want to get chicken breasts that have its bone and the skin, so we can give it that nice stocky flavor. So now that the chicken is out of the pot, it's fully cooked, we are going to start to shred it. First, we would want to get all of the fat skin right off. Sometimes I'll do it by hand. Right?
Okay.
She's so cute. Ooh, hot. So now we just continue to pull the chicken. So this is the way that I do, but if you know another way to do it, you guys can go ahead and comment down below, or share another link to show me maybe an easier way, but I like my way. All right. Is this good?
Very well.
Very good?
Very, very good.
Perfect?
Perfect.
So next we get the, what is it called? The skillet? The pan?
Frying.
Frying pan, very good.
Very good.
So
The
next we're
pan.
gonna put the frying pan, we're gonna put the heat
Okay.
on medium,
Okay.
because all we wanna do is just saute the chicken. And we're gonna put some what?
Olive oil.
Olive oil. Perfect. Just a little bit.
Okay. Yeah.
So together. We move this around just like that. So next we're gonna add our diced bell peppers.
Perfect.
Very good. Thanks.
Okay.
So next we put
Okay.
a little bit of
Okay.
Mimi's secret sauce.
Okay. Secretary. Name is secretary.
Mimi's secret
Secretary.
sauce.
Okay.
We just put a little bit just to give it some color, and so the chicken can add some flavor. This is a really powerful stove thing. So now the chicken has gotten its color and the bell pepper has been cooked to an al dente, we will now put it aside and we are going to cook the pasta. So first, we're gonna pan with hot water and take it to a boil. We're gonna add just a little bit of salt.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, a little.
okay, a little. And some bay leaves to give it that amazing scent. I like a lot. I really like it when my kitchen just smells bay leaf or any other herbs. So now we'll put the shells in for about 7 minutes. Make sure to keep an eye on them. You don't want to overcook it. You actually want to leave it al dente so that once you stuff it with the chicken and it's in the oven, it can get fully cooked with the sauce. All right, so it's been 7 minutes and our cannelloni's shells are cooked. Maybe it's a little too cooked.
Yes.
So now that our chicken is back, we're gonna go ahead and stuff our cannellonis.
Yes, yes.
I pretty much grew up cooking with my grandmother. She taught me pretty much everything, right?
Okay. Yeah, right.
Yeah. She taught me how to make pancakes, how to eat pancakes,
Okay, okay.
and a lot of dessert, right?
Okay.
And I'm spilling everywhere. It's a really tedious dish, especially the way that we make it. I don't know how other people make it. You can also leave comments below, and you can ask me how your family makes cannellonis or manicottis for Americans. So as we stuff the cannelloni shells, we're gonna go ahead and put it in our desired dish for baking. And
Okay.
I like to put a little bit of a spread of a red sauce, which is my grandmother's secret sauce. And then we're just gonna go ahead and just put them here, like that. Put a little bit. All right. Once that's ready, we are gonna go ahead and put Mimi's Secret Sauce Part 2. Now this is a blend with some sweet cream, and the cannellonis actually have to boil in this pink sauce. Once the cannellonis are pretty much in a bath of Mimi's secret pink sauce, we're gonna go ahead and put some aluminum to cover it up. And we should put it in the oven for about, for how long? 20, 25 minutes?
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, okay, you will be
Okay.
more
So
than-
let's put this in the oven. Well, there you have it. My grandmother's cannellonis.
Cannelloni.
Mm-hmm.
It is, this is pasta. It's delicious. Delicious.
It's delicious.
This is excellent.
Mm. Mm.
Very, very good.
It's very good.
Very good.
Thank you.
Very good.
She wants some sparkly. Here you go.
Oh, nuestro complement is vino.
Yes.
Okay. Okay?
Mhm.
Okay,
Cheers.
thank you.
Chin chin.
Chin
Chin
chin.
chin.
Okay. Okay. You
Subscribe.
like to put it? That's right. Yeah.
Subscribe
It's clever.
down below. Oh,
Yeah,
describe.
below.
Leave a comment
It's the comment. You put it.
below.
No. Sit. Away. Okay.
Cheers. Chin chin.
Chin, chin, chin.
To a
Okay.
great cooking with your grandma.
Mr. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone for
Very right.
tuning in, and we'll see you on the next Cooking with Your Grandma.
Yes,
Bye
sir.
everybody.
Okay. Bye-bye.